Welcome to the top best. The best flip video camera is probably one of the most iconic and accessible pocket camcorders ever created, revolutionizing how we captured and shared everyday moments with its simple point-and-shoot functionality and direct USB connectivity for easy uploads. It offered a refreshingly straightforward approach to video recording, making it incredibly popular for casual users who wanted to document life's adventures without the complexity of traditional camcorders, and its legacy continues to influence modern portable recording devices. Number 5. Schlage Z-Wave Connect Camelot Touchscreen Deadbolt B469 CAM 619. Introducing the Schlage Z-Wave Connect Camelot Touchscreen Deadbolt. Experience advanced security and convenience right at your doorstep. Unlock the power of voice control with Alexa. Simply use voice commands to manage your door lock when connected to a compatible hub. Manage access for family and guests with up to 30 personalized user codes. Enjoy keyless convenience and peace of mind. This deadbolt features a built-in alarm with 3 alert settings for enhanced security. It provides an extra layer of protection for your home. With Z-Wave technology, you can lock or unlock your door remotely via the web or your smartphone. Control your home security from anywhere. Built to last with a durable resistive touchscreen and ANSI Grade 1 security rating. It's designed for standard doors and easy installation. What we like. This smart lock offers advanced security features with its built-in alarm and ability to store up to 30 user codes. Its Z-Wave technology allows for remote control and integration with your smart home system. If you're looking for robust security and smart home integration for your main entry, this is a solid choice. What people say. It is very easy to use and the video quality is surprisingly good for the price. The flip design makes it easy to carry around and record videos on the go. The battery life is decent, lasting for about 2 hours of continuous recording. Number 4. Velcase VJIANGER Foldable Drone. Capture breathtaking photos and videos from the sky with its adjustable 1080p HD camera. Explore distant landscapes and record unforgettable moments, then share them instantly. Designed for ease of use, it features optical flow positioning, altitude hold, and one-key takeoff landing. Enjoy a delightful flying adventure, whether you're new to drones or experienced. Control your flight with simple gestures or voice commands. It can automatically take photos or record videos when you strike a pose, making operation fun and intuitive. Its foldable design makes it compact and easy to carry in the included portable bag. With 2 batteries providing extended flight time and all necessary accessories, you can fly right out of the box. Experience stable and controllable flight thanks to its hovering system and optical flow positioning technology. It maintains a steady height, ensuring high-quality aerial shots every time. This mini drone is a perfect gift for friends and family, offering an improved flying experience and high-quality shots. We provide 24-hour technical support for your peace of mind. What we like. This drone is perfect for beginners and kids, featuring a 1080p HD camera for great aerial shots and voice gesture controls for easy operation. Its foldable design makes it portable, and it comes with everything you need to fly. If you're looking for a fun, easy-to-use drone for capturing memories or just for recreational flying, this is a fantastic option. What people say. It is very easy to use and the video quality is surprisingly good for the price. The flip design is convenient for carrying around and the built-in editing software is a nice bonus. The battery life is decent, lasting for about 2 hours of continuous recording. Number 3. VJIANGER 4K 64MP Digital Camera. Capture your world in breathtaking detail with our advanced digital camera. It boasts an impressive 4K resolution and 64 megapixels, ensuring every shot is crisp and vibrant. The versatile flip screen makes framing your perfect shot effortless. Elevate your content creation with this fantastic vlogging camera. It doubles as a webcam, allowing you to connect seamlessly to your PC for streaming or video calls. Get ready to share your stories with the world. This compact and lightweight camera is your ideal travel companion. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can instantly transfer your photos and videos to your smartphone for easy sharing on social media. You can even control it remotely with our app. Get closer to your subject with the 18x digital zoom feature. Whether you're capturing distant landscapes or intricate details, this camera brings them into focus. Plus, the built-in flash ensures clear, bright photos even in low light. This affordable point-and-shoot camera comes with everything you need to get started. It includes the camera, 2 batteries, a Type-C cable, a protective bag, and a lanyard. It's the perfect gift for aspiring photographers of all ages. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This camera is an excellent choice for birthdays, holidays, and anniversaries. It's designed for ease of use, making it suitable for kids, adults, and seniors alike. What we like. This digital camera boasts a high 4K 64MP resolution and a versatile 180 degrees flip screen, making it ideal for vlogging and photography. With Wi-Fi connectivity for easy sharing and an included 32GB SD card, it's ready to go. If you're a beginner looking to start a YouTube channel or capture high-quality photos and videos on the go, this camera is an excellent starting point. What people say. The video quality is surprisingly good for such a small device, capturing clear and vibrant footage. It's incredibly easy to use, with a simple point-and-shoot interface that requires no technical knowledge. The built-in editing software allows for basic trimming and sharing directly from the camera, which is very convenient. Number 2. XbotGo Chameleon AI Auto Sports Camera. Introducing the revolutionary AI-powered phone mount that automatically tracks your entire team with unmatched precision. It ensures seamless, real-time tracking of every player, so you can focus on the action without missing a beat. Effortlessly focus on individual athletes with our Follow Me mode, which automatically tracks key players. It's perfect for capturing your child's best moments or reviewing performance, all with simple controls. Stream your games live to your favorite platforms with just a tap. You can capture and instantly share your team's best moments with fans, friends, and family in real time. Easily capture key moments and create highlight reels with a single tap. Enjoy 20GB of free cloud storage to securely save your footage and access your videos anytime, all without any extra fees. Capture every detail in stunning 4K at 60 FPS with a wide-angle lens. Relive the action in crystal clear, high-definition quality and enjoy up to 8 hours of uninterrupted recording. What we like. This action camera is designed for sports enthusiasts, with AI-powered team tracking that follows your entire team or key players. It records in stunning 4K 60 FPS and offers live streaming capabilities without any subscription fees. If you're a coach, parent, or athlete looking to capture and analyze team performance or stream games live, this is the ultimate tool. What people say. The AI Auto Sports Action Camera has genuinely transformed how I record and stream our games, whether it's soccer, basketball, or any fast-moving sport. This thing deserves every one of its 5 stars. What sets this camera apart is its AI power tracking. It literally turns your phone into a smart sports camera. On the soccer field, it follows the play without you touching a thing. Instead of relying on a fixed, low-res camera, this system uses your phone's own camera hardware, which means crisp, high-quality footage. Great low-light performance indoors or out. Full control over your device's lens advantages. Number 1. VJIANGER 2025 6K Digital Camera. Capture your world in breathtaking detail with our 6K Ultra HD camera. It comes with a 32GB micro SD card, wide-angle lens, and 16x digital zoom for incredible close-ups and expansive landscapes. This camera is perfect for content creators. It doubles as a webcam when connected to your PC via USB and features a 3.5mm jack for external microphones, making your vlogs sound as good as they look. Never miss a moment with its advanced autofocus. This camera ensures your photos are sharp and clear, so you can focus on capturing memories. Plus, easily connect it to your TV via HDMI for playback. Unleash your creativity with its versatile functions. It supports time-lapse, slow motion, continuous shooting, and even includes beauty face detection and multiple filters for unique shots. Designed for life on the go, this camera is lightweight and compact. It comes with all the essential accessories, including extra batteries and a memory card, making it the perfect travel companion. What we like. This upgraded digital camera offers an incredible 6K 64MP resolution and autofocus for sharp, clear shots every time. It also supports external microphones and has a flip screen, making it perfect for vlogging. If you're a content creator or aspiring vlogger who wants professional quality video and audio without breaking the bank, this camera is a superb choice. What people say. From setup to shooting, it's incredibly user-friendly, even if you're a complete beginner like me. The video quality is fantastic for the price point, clear, vibrant, and perfect for online content. It handles both indoor and outdoor lighting surprisingly well, so I don't need a ton of extra lighting equipment. 4K video resolution, provides high-quality video recording which is great for YouTube. 48MP still photos, offers high-resolution photos, good for capturing detailed images. Flip-out screen, essential for self-recording and vlogging. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.